Hey guys, welcome once again to Learn Math with me, Brian Sapinski, and this is a very special video that we're shooting here, and I'm here with my two awesome, amazing kids. On one side of me is, of course, Joey.
Hi!
And on the other side of me, the amazing Brianna B. Finn. She is all those things. Really?
Hi!
No.
Hi!
All right.
Hi!
The reason why we're doing this little video, it's sort of a flashback to the very first video that we ever officially did here for the channel. It's amazing to believe that we've been at this for 5 years now, as you can see. It's pretty
Scary.
Yeah, it is in a sense. Also, it's also feels kind of a little bit empty around here because in those 5 years, I was hoping, admittedly, that we would have been able to do a little bit more here on the channel. But we're going to talk about that in a little bit, because first what we want to do is kind of in a recreation of, or an evolution of, the very first video that we ever did. If you look at, just in relation to my two kids here, if you look back at that very first video and see, how they, looked and were when we first started this channel and how it is that they are now, it's just so amazing, like it is in life, to just watch these kids grow. So we're going to go right along with it. We played a Square One TV game from back in the day in our very first video, and we're going to do a quick one now here. We're going to play the game of Triple Play. So the game board, as you see it here, you can see the numbers from 7 to 72 scattered around the board. What's going to happen is these guys are going to take turns spinning a pair of wheels, which you'll see on the screen in just a moment. Based on the numbers that come up on the wheels, they have a choice. They can either take the numbers and add them together, or they can take the numbers and multiply them together, and whatever that amount is, they capture that number on the board. Joey will be playing the green, B will be playing the purple, and the object is to be the first to capture 3 numbers that connect to form an equilateral triangle on the board. So that's going to be the way that the game works. So the wheels, as you can see them here, the first wheel covering the numbers 1 through 6, the 7 through 12 are on the second wheel, and that star is a wild card which you can use to represent any number it is that you want to. All right, Joey, you're going to start first. So, are you ready? We're going to spin the wheels, Joe.
Sure.
Joe, right? All right, you got to watch what's.
Nice.
You have to watch what's going on, though. Okay.
I was looking at the channel.
Oh, all right, enough. Come on.
And I was subscribing, which you should do too.
Oh, absolutely.
Bro,
Okay, you two. Come on, let's play the game here. All right, can we play the game? Can we play the game? Let's go. All right, so let's see where everything goes. First spin. Okay. All right, you've got a 2 and a 10, Joe. So okay, thank you. All right, give me the appropriate addition or multiplication sentence.
10 times 2 equals 20.
Okay, so that's 20. So that's 20 on the green. Okay, so there that is. Okay, and now it's B's spin. Here we go. What's going on? He is playing the purple, and she gets 1 and a wild card, so you can do whatever you want with that.
1 times 21 equals 21.
Okay.
That was a number on the board.
Yes, it is. Okay, so, all right, so that's 21 on the purple. Okay, and now Joey's spin. And you've got a 3 and a 7.
Okay, so 7 plus 3 equals 10.
Okay, that's 10 on...
10. Hi, Ben.
Okay, that's 10 on the green.
Hi, Ben.
Okay, all right, you got 2/3 of the way toward a triangle here. All right, he spins and gets 1 and 12.
1 plus 12, 13.
Say it again.
1 plus 12 for 13.
Okay, 13 on the purple. And there it is. Okay. All right. Joey trying to finish it off here. Let's see. And you've got 5 and 10.
I think 15 is
Wait,
taken, so 10 plus 5 equals 15, so I'm probably going to take that.
Okay, 15 on the green. Okay. There it is. Okay. All right. He spins and gets 4 and 10.
4 plus 10, 14.
14 on the purple.
This is crazy. This is intense.
Strategy plays everything. Okay, here we go. Joey spins and gets 4 and 7.
7? 4 plus 7 is 11.
7 for 11.
Oh, yeah.
4 and 7 for 11 on the green. We try and get a win here. Gets 3 and 10.
3 times 10
Oh,
for
no.
30.
3 times 10 for 30. Yeah, you had to do that because you've already got the 13. Okay, so
that means
30,
that's
30 on the purple. Okay, look closely at the board, guys, and see what numbers that you need to try to complete your triangles here. Joey, it is your spin.
Hi.
Okay, here we go. And you've got 6 and 9.
6, 1, 9.
Okay, 6 and 9. What do you want to do with it?
6 and 9. 6 times 9 equals 54.
54. Yeah, you had to take that because you already had the 15. 54 on the green. Okay, don't have it yet.
Hey, you rhyme.
Okay, let's see, and
Wait, you said a rhyme.
2 and a
was
wild
math
card.
Can I see the board?
Okay,
What's a wild card?
she can use that as any. She can turn that into any number she wants.
Okay, wait. You blocked all my triangle spots.
No, there's several.
Where?
Remember, you need an equilateral triangle. That means that the numbers have to be the same distance apart from each other. They have to be the same number
2
of spaces.
times 4 equals 8.
8 on the purple, and
I made triangle.
that call out the numbers that make the triple play.
13, 14, 8.
That's a win.
Yay! I'm a winner. I'm a winner, guys.
Yes, you are in this time around. So, yep, that's how you do triple play. Very simple, very fun game. And if anything, we'll try to someday down the road maybe do an exclusive video related to all the games that Square One TV used to do. Would be nice to do a retrospective of that show. And speaking of things that we are going to be doing on the channel, if you guys remember, one of the things that was heavily present when we first started the channel, when these guys were 5 years younger, was that we were doing videos weekly for their elementary math lessons and the things that they were learning, as they were going through at the time, 1st and 5th grade. And that kind of got interrupted, just because of how, busy we were getting in general. And then the world happens with COVID, and it kind of, sort of wrecked plans because it made me even busier than ever over the last several years. Well, I'm happy to announce that we are going to do our best to change that this year. We're going to get those elementary videos back up and running here on the channel, and we're going to be getting a little bit of help in that regard, because since these guys are obviously older, what we're going to be doing is Joey, now being in 6th grade, he's going to be covering for the next couple of years here on the channel. He's going to be covering the rest of the 5th grade videos where they got interrupted, and then sometime after, he's going to do the videos for 6th grade. And even though B is in high school now, she has volunteered to cover the videos, which will start soon for 7th grade, and then in the time after, then we'll go to the 8th grade videos. As for grades 1 through 4, we're actually going to be recruiting a little bit of help. You won't see them on the channel, but joining us for 1st through 4th grade are going to be my nephews, their cousins, Chris and Mikey. Mikey is going to be going into 2nd grade this year. He's going to help to cover the videos for the rest of 1st grade and then going through 2nd grade. And Chris actually, I should actually promote Chris. He and his father, also Chris, they do a channel of their own called Chris and Chris Collecting Cards. You should definitely go and subscribe to them too. Anyway, little Chris is going into 3rd grade this year, and he's going to be doing videos with me for 3rd grade math, and then next year for 4th grade. So ultimately then, over the next 2 years, we'll successfully have all of the elementary and middle school math covered here on this channel for you to peruse, ask your questions, and of course learn and be entertained by it. And along the way, we're going to keep doing our other things here on the channel. We're going to continue to do the Math GM series that you saw us doing over this past summer. That's going to be continuing. In addition, I'm going to be trying to get more videos up for the Calculated Chaos of Press Your Luck series. And stay tuned to the channel in the days, weeks, months, and years to come, because you're going to see this page really blow up with a lot of content. And if you like it and you know of people that could really use it and need the help, send them over here and have them watch our stuff, because we could really use the support, and we want to keep on being able to educate you guys out there. So please like this video, share it around, subscribe to the channel, do all of those things. Yes, I know you want to subscribe. Everybody should subscribe. And hey, let's make these next 5 years really cook around here, and make them the best years that this channel has ever seen. So until we see you guys in the very near future with the next elementary videos and a whole bunch of other stuff, I'm Brian Sapinski on behalf of B, on behalf of Joey. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye.